In this video, we will demonstrate the art of the possible with generative AI using ChatGPT to drive better insights right from Qlik. The first thing we will show you is the ability to get new data sets. So let's go in here and get a new data set. From there, we can click on Find Data, and inside Find Data, we can see a prompt, and then we can look for different data sets and have that come back. Let's look for the top 10 agricultural disasters. Qlik has many customers who work in the agricultural industry, and climate change is really impacting them. So let's see what's happening with disasters. Now, Qlik is communicating through APIs with ChatGPT. It's going out, it's going to pull back the data, and it's going to return to us that data that came out of the public domain. And here we have that data. We can then turn that into a data set, and it will be dropped into the catalog right here. And now, fully available to anyone who has access to the data sitting in that space. In addition, because we've brought this new data in, we get a description of what that data is, so we can understand this new data set that's available to our organization. We can also create an analytic app off of that, and when we do that, we are dropped into a new simplified authoring experience. From there, we can do an expression, typing in number of disasters. And immediately for us, ChatGPT comes and writes that expression that we need. And it doesn't need to be simple expressions. It can be more complicated things like for flood. And we get the expression written there using Qlik's unique set analysis format. Now that's a very powerful capability, but it's because it's so powerful, writing the script itself can sometimes be challenging for users. So now you can do that just through natural language. We apply that, bring in another field, and we're off to the races on building out our content. Finally, we can help you analyze your data better. One thing to note is that analysis types gives you types of analysis you can generally do. It doesn't look at the metadata itself, and we can use ChatGPT to help with that. For example, by sharing our metadata and what the names of the fields are and so forth, the damage analysis comes up to identify the most common types of disasters and their associated damages. And when we look at that, we're actually brought in and we are recommended what analysis we should be doing based upon the types of data we have. And we get several charts generated for us by Insight Advisor. We can also pull up background information, which will tell us more about this type of information and recommend additional data sets we may want to use, which of course we can do using ChatGPT. And we're also recommended for the time series analysis here, which is the next analysis that it's recommending we should do for further insights. We click on that, and we get a very similar view from before with a different type of question being put in. In this video, we demonstrated the art of the possible using ChatGPT from Qlik, including the ability to get new data sets, create an analytics app, and get better insights from your data.